Remove the front dust cover. Remove the side metal panel. First, loosen the coupling. Push it left and right to check for smooth movement. If not smooth, proceed with further inspection. Step 2. Check whether the bearings on both sides are stuck. Remove the left protective rubber pad. Remove the nut. Also remove the nut on the right side. Use 10 mm and 22 mm wrenches to remove the nuts. Remove the bearing cover on the left side. Push the lead screw to the left. Take out the ring and the bearing. Check if the bearing rotates smoothly. If it's stuck, replace the bearing. If it rotates smoothly, continue with the next inspection step. Check whether the bearing on the right side is smooth. If stuck, replace the inner bearing or the entire motor base. First, remove the motor. Then remove the motor base. Clean the surface of the base plate thoroughly. Reinstall the left ring and bearing. Tighten the nut. Install the motor base. Reinstall the ring and nut. Use a wrench to tighten the nuts. First, tighten the 2 screws at the rear of the motor base. Once it moves smoothly left and right, then tighten the remaining screws. Push left and right again to confirm smooth movement. If it's still not smooth, proceed to the next inspection step. Step 3. Check whether the lead screw is stuck. First, remove the 6 screws from the lead nut seat. Hold the nut seat with your hand and push it left and right. Check if there's any sticking. If stuck, replace the lead screw. After replacing with a new lead screw, push the nut seat to the far right. Reinstall the screws. Confirm smooth movement left and right. Then tighten the screws. Push again left and right to verify smooth movement. Remove the dust-proof rubber ring. No need to reinstall it. Install the bearing cover. Tighten the set screws on the left nut. Tighten the set screws on the right nut. Reinstall the motor and the coupling. Step 4. Cleaning and lubrication. First, clean off the old grease on the lead screw. Locate the oil injection hole on the nut seat. Spray anti-rust agent into the hole. While spraying, push the lead screw left and right. This helps remove any residual lubricant inside the nut seat. Then wipe off both the lubricant and the anti-rust agent from the lead screw. Remove the dust-proof rubber ring from the nut seat. Clean the grease inside. Next, apply guide rail oil. Push left and right to evenly spread the oil along the lead screw. Wipe off any excess oil with a tissue. Step 5. Relubrication. Apply fresh lubricant. Use your finger to dip and apply lubricant evenly on the lead screw. Try to ensure the ball groove of the lead screw is fully lubricated. Reinstall the dust-proof rubber ring on the nut seat. Finally, turn on the machine and run a test to check the performance.